in yellow. I think I see you in bright yellow. Yellow like the sun, yellow like the sunflower, yellow on the run. I think I see you looking back at me, looking back at you. Take notes from the universe. Just the other night, I ate 4 fortune cookies too. See what my future holds. Think I see you in yellow. And I love to see the leaves changing colors. It brings me a sense of wonder. I think I see you in yellow. I've been seeing signs. I know it's not just in my own mind. I see you in yellow. I feel the yellow, and it makes me say hello to the day, to the day. I think I see you in yellow, just like the sunlight. I see you catching the sunlight and reflecting rainbows. I think I see myself in yellow, and it makes me feel joy. And I love the color yellow. And if singing makes you cringe, but you love it, keep on writing, 'cause you never know what's gonna flow out of your soul. Singing makes me feel happy, peaceful, alive and whole in my mind, body, spirit and soul, and I feel yellow. It's a joyous color. I think I see you in yellow. I see you in the sunflowers. I see you in the sunshine. It's not just in my mind. I think I see you in yellow. And I feel a frog in my throat, because my throat is opening up. I am opening up. I think I see you in yellow. Amarillo. Celia. The leaves are changing color. And I love it, and it gives me all the feels. And it gives me all the feels. And then the leaves crunch under our feet. I think I see you in yellow. I just came here to say hello. While I'm dressed in yellow, I'm trying to discover who I really am. I think I see you in yellow. I think I hold you when I'm mellow. I hold you in my arms. I think I see you in yellow.